In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Postscript with Klaviyo. This process is mainly about connecting the right access in Klaviyo, so Postscript can communicate with your Klaviyo account. By the end, you will know exactly where to find the settings page, how to create the correct type of key, and where to copy it for use in your integration. To begin, open Klaviyo, and make sure you are signed in to the correct account. Once you are in, look at the bottom left area of the screen. You will see your brand name there. Click your brand name so you can access the related workspace settings. This is an important step because Klaviyo organizes settings around the brand you are managing, and you want to make sure you are working in the right place. After you click your brand name, you will now be taken to the brand-specific area of Klaviyo. From there, navigate to Settings. In the Settings section, you will see an option called Search API Key. Click on that so you can work with the API key tools. Taking a moment to locate the exact Search API key page matters because Klaviyo can have multiple areas where API keys are configured, and the correct one is specifically for search access. Now that you are on the Search API key page, you should see a button that allows you to create a new key. Click Create Private API Key. A private API key is the type of key that is meant for server-to-server communication and integration work. When you click this, Klaviyo will prompt you to configure what level of access the key should have. Next, you need to grant full access. On the screen, there should be a permission or access selection that you can choose. Select Full Access, and make sure that you are granting the correct level of permission. This step is crucial because the integration you are setting up will need enough permissions to access the data and features it requires within Klaviyo. Once you have set the permissions to full access, proceed to copy the generated private key. Klaviyo will display a key value that is typically shown only once, or that you will need to capture immediately. Copy the generated private key carefully. After copying, take a moment to confirm that the copied value is complete and matches what is displayed on screen. If anything is missing, the integration may not work as expected. At this point, you have completed the key creation side of the integration. You now have the API access that will be used to connect Postscript with Klaviyo. This means you have taken the core action needed to enable the integration to communicate securely, using the permissions you just granted. To make it simple to remember, what you did was find your brand settings, go to the Search API Key area, create a private API key, grant it full access, and then copy the generated key. That key is what you use next in the Postscript integration setup. Now you have the API for it, and the connection can move forward, and that is all there is to it. That covers everything you need to know.